How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Art of Everything. I'm Frank, and we're back at it again with another video. And this time, we're going to do a quick turnaround, and we're turning around really quick on the review for the LG G Pad 5 10.1 inch tablet. And there's 100 reasons why I'm doing it real quick right now. Reason being is because I didn't need a lot of time to actually test out this tablet, because the tablet has a lot more flaws, a lot more cons than what there is in pros. So just to read out some specs about this tablet, because I know a lot of you guys are going to want the specs and stuff like this. So you're looking at 10.1 inch display, 1200 by 1920 pixels. It's an 8 megapixel rear camera, 4 gigs of RAM. It's a Snapdragon 821 processor, and then you have 8200 milliamp hour battery, which isn't bad, right? And then it was launched October of 2019. It was announced October of 2019, and it was available and released in November of last year. So keep that in mind. It's a year old already. You're looking at about 110, about 1.10 pounds. The aluminum back, aluminum frame, I had an idea. And then it is LCD. It is not OLED at all. And you're looking at what? Android 9, Android Pie. That's what comes straight out of the box on this tablet, as well as I haven't seen an update for it yet, and it's a year already, so I doubt it's going to get Android 10 or 11 or whatever the case may be. And like I said, it's a Snapdragon 821. It's a quad-core processor, Cryo processor, and it's a Adreno 530 GPU. Selfie camera is a 5 megapixel selfie camera. It does shoot in 1080p, so it does shoot in full HD. It has a fingerprint sensor, 8200 milliamp hour battery, like I said. The specs doesn't tell the whole entire story. Just going straight into it, I gave you the specs. A lot of people want the specs and stuff like that, but in reality, I wouldn't dare to say that the specs are the first thing that I place my eyes on, because after using it for a few days, I found myself a little bit more frustrated than anything. I thought it would be decent enough for gaming. When I say decent, I mean, you know, you have a lot of mid-range devices around this price point. Like, for example, I have a Moto G stylus, and that retails at $239.99, I believe, and it has an older Snapdragon processor as well. But I am more than capable of playing like Call of Duty Mobile and those type of games on that device without much hiccup. On this tablet, though, this tablet right here, this huge, it's a really nice display. I'm not going to sit here and lie. It's a really nice display, a nice size as well. But playing Call of Duty Mobile on it, even with the settings being all the way dropped, I mean all the way dropped, graphics to the lowest of the low, frame rate to the lowest of the low, I mean bringing everything down, the details down, everything down, I still had massive lag. That sucks, because retail value is $299.99, $300 USD. Now, like I said in my unboxing video, which if you haven't seen it, I'll make sure I put a link down in the description, or you'll see it towards the end of this video if you want to see the unboxing. But the point is that, okay, I got it for $100, you know, clearly after all rebates and stuff like that. 100, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. It's a good entertainment experience, in the sense that if you're watching videos, Netflix, Prime Videos, anything like that, Hulu, you enjoy it. It's a nice size tablet to enjoy. Light gaming, possibly like Bubble Bash, whatever you call it, Jewel and stuff like that. I think it would do fine with those type of games, spades, dominoes, just basic games. But you can't play Asphalt. I try to play Asphalt with this tablet and still did terrible. So you wouldn't be able to play any type of hardcore gaming. After Asphalt, I decided not to even open up PUBG, which I downloaded on here. And just to show you, I'm not big of a mobile gamer. I would dare to say I'm not that big of a mobile gamer, but there's times where you do want to play mobile games, and sometimes you definitely want to play on a bigger screen. So as you see here, I have Call of Duty, I have Asphalt, PUBG, and one thing I did notice, it didn't say it on the on the specs or anything like that, but I found it to actually be that you're actually able to use this tablet with a pen. I actually have an inexpensive pen that I purchased from Amazon that I actually used on my LG V60, and in all reality, it worked perfectly fine with this tablet. So for any artist, anybody that wants to draw and stuff like that, I think this is a pretty good deal. You know, I bought the pen for $30, retail value is at $300. If that's mainly what you're looking for, and probably some social media, if that's mainly what you're planning to do, then this would probably be the best inexpensive tablet that you can get, that you're more than capable of doing that with. And the drawing experience wasn't bad at all, to be very, very honest. I don't think it's going to be the same as the Galaxy tablets or anything like that, you know, the Galaxy S tablets or anything like that, just because I feel like they're made specifically, they're like a powerhouse tablet. But if you're looking for something inexpensive, under 400, that you can actually use a pen with, I think this would actually be that option that you have. But don't be thinking that you're going to be able to play games and stuff like that, like hardcore games on this tablet. That's a no-no. That's guaranteed. I promise you, it's not going to work the way you think it's going to work. You can scroll through social media. You can do all those things. The battery life, though, the battery life is surprisingly really, really good at 8,200 milliamp hours. To be honest with you, I noticed I just charged it once, and not even fully, and I got like 2 days out of it, you know. But then again, I wasn't using it consistently because the camera sucks on it. I mean, when I say the camera sucks, I mean the camera sucks. I felt like I was jumping back to like the early 2010s. Like, seriously. At 8 megapixels, I get it. You're not going to get the best image quality, but I don't remember pictures being that bad either, you know. And the front facing camera, I just feel washed out. Like, I tried to take a selfie with it and I looked gray. I am not gray. But outside of that, this is a short review because there's not much. And I'm a big LG fan, but I'm not biased either. I'm very, very honest. Like, I love my V60, you know, but that doesn't mean I gotta love every LG product. Like, this product is mainly good for like entertainment and light games. I'm scared to even download freaking Minecraft on this thing, you know, and that's one game that my boy loves to play on mobile. So it's like almost, but then again, it's very blocky, so it possibly may work with this tablet. But outside of that, in all reality, I think for $300, it's not worth it. Honest to God, it's not worth it. At $300, I feel like you have better options, or just putting up $100 more, you may find yourself with better options. But I think at $300, I wouldn't do it. Probably $200, yes. $100 I think is a steal, but not 300, because you have plenty of other devices that are more than capable of doing what this tablet does, and better at a cheaper, inexpensive price. Like, I think what you're paying for more is the screen size rather than what the tablet can actually do. Because like I said, my Moto G stylus, which retails at $239.99, does a better job of gaming than this tablet. That's my unbiased opinion about this tablet. But it's really up to you if this is a tablet that you're willing to purchase. Like I said, if you're just watching movies and stuff like that, I like the fact that you get to watch it in full HD. The display is really, really nice, surprisingly. And I like the fingerprint sensor. I like the location of the fingerprint sensor. It's very responsive, really, really pretty quick, if you ask me. And yeah, that's the only way I'll use it. And I know my boy would put this tablet and put it into good use, and this is what he's getting. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, I ask that you give it a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate that. If you have any thoughts about this video, go ahead and comment it down below. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. With all that being said, thank you again for watching this video. Till next time, peace.